Popular American baby girl names that start with V letter. Name Valentina, meaning in Spanish, Valentina means brave. Name Valeria, meaning Valeria means brave, strong in Latin. Name Valerie, meaning Valerie is the English version of Valeria and means strong. Name Vanessa, meaning in Hebrew, Vanessa means butterfly. Name Victoria, meaning in English, Victoria means victorious. Name Virginia, meaning in English, Virginia means chaste. Name Violet, meaning a violet is a purple flower that represents modesty, beautiful. Name Vani, meaning speech. Name Valora, meaning a name anyone would want their little girl to live up to. It means courageous. Name Velika, meaning great or wondrous. Velika is a Slavic name. Name Varena, meaning this Latin name means true. Name Velina, meaning Velina means strong and healthy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to this channel. Bye.